Hello students, welcome to Biology Tutorial Hub channel. Today we are going to talk about the internal structure of a leaf, Unit 2 Biology. ዛሬ የአስረኛ ክፍል ባዮሎጂ እንነጋገራለን። Internal structure of a leaf በሚለው ርዕስ ላይ ተከታተሉኝ. Good. A typical leaf consists of two internal component or layers. It are the outer layer and the middle layer. Yes, so a typical leaf consists of two internal components or two internal layers. What are these two internal components or two internal layers of a typical leaf? These are the outer layer and the middle or the inner layer. What's the difference between outer layer and middle layer? Let us talk on that. The outer layer, this is also known as the epidermis. Another name of outer layer known as the epidermis, and epidermis is a single outer layer of tightly packed cells. So this tightly packed cells known as epidermis, and this epidermis is important to protect the internal structure of a leaf. The internal structure of a leaf is protected from mechanical or physical damage by epidermis or by outer layers. Good. ስለዚህ አንድ ቲፒካል ሊፍ ወይም አንድ ቅጠል ሁለት ሌየሮች አሉት። የውጭኛው ሌየር እና የመካከለኛው ሌየር የሚባል ሁለት ሌየሮች አሉት። አውተር ሌየሩ ሌላ ስሙ ይባላል ኤፒደርሚስ ይባላል። እነዚህ ኤፒደርሞች በጣም ተጠጋግተው ፓክድ ሆኑ ሴሎች ናቸው። ኤፒደርሚስ ስራቸው ምንድነው? የኢንተርናል ስትራክቸሩ ወይም የውስጠኛውን የቅጠል ክፍል ከአደጋ መከላከል ነው። ከፊዚካል or chemical damage protect ማድረግ ነው። Good. The outer layers, also known as the epidermis, consists of the upper epidermis and lower epidermis. Yes, so these outer layers consist of the upper epidermis and the lower epidermis. The upper epidermis on the top of the leaf. The upper epidermis found on the top of the leaf. This top of the leaf known as the upper epidermis, and the lower epidermis on the bottom of the leaf. So there is upper epidermis, lower epidermis. The upper epidermis is found on the top of the leaf, whereas the lower epidermis is found on the bottom of the leaf, whereas the lower epidermis is found on the bottom of the leaf. Good. The upper epidermis is covered by a waxy cuticle. Waxy cuticle covers the upper epidermis. What's cuticle? Cuticle is a waxy layer that reduces water loss. So the upper epidermis is covered by a waxy cuticle, and this cuticle is important to protect loss of water. Water may be lost by evaporation or by transpiration. This loss of water is reduced or declined by a waxy layer known as cuticle. So this cuticle covers the upper epidermis, or the upper epidermis is covered by waxy cuticle, and this cuticle is important to reduce or to decline water loss or to minimize water loss that is lost by the process of evaporation or transpiration. Good. Cuticle transmits sunlight but restricts water loss. Yeah? What is transpiration? Transpiration is a biological process of water evaporating from plant leaves. So the biological process in which water evaporating from plant leaves known as transpiration. Good. ስለዚህ እነዚህ ኤፒደርሞች ሁለት ኤፒደርሞች አሉ። አፐር ሜላኛው ኤፒደርም እና የስረኛው ኤፒደርም። ስለዚህ ኤፒደርም የላይኛው ኤፒደርም እና የታችኛው ኤፒደርም መባል ይታወቃል። አፐር ኤፒደርም on the top of the leaf ነው። lower epidermis on the bottom of the leaf ነው። አፐር ኤፒደርም በዋክሲ ከቲክል ከቨርድ ሆነ ነው። ሰም በመሰለ ዋክሲ ማለት ሰም በመሰለ። ስለዚህ አፐር ኤፒደርም ሰም በመሰለ ሳብስታንስ ከቨርድ ሆነ ነው። ያ ሰም የመሰለ ነገር ምን ይባላል? ከቲክል ይባላል። ከቲክል ጥቅሙ ምንድነው? water loss ወይም water evaporation reduce ማድረግ ነው ወይም minimize ማድረግ መቀነስ ነው። ውሃ ከቅጠሉ እንዳይተን ብዙ ውሃ ከተነነ ቅጠሉ ይደርቅ ይችላል ወይም ዛፉ ይደርቅ ይችላል። ስለዚህ ከቲክል ምንድነው? ከቲክል ማለት ሰም የመሰለ ነገር ነው። ብዙ ውሃ እንዳይተን ከፍተኛ አስተዋጽኦ የሚያደርግ ነው። ብዙ ውሃ ከተነነ ዛፍ ምን ይሆናል? ይደርቃል። ቅጠሉ ምን ይሆናል? ይደርቃል። ስለዚህ water loss minimize ማድረግ water loss reduced ማድረግ የማስራ ነው የከቲክል ስራ ነው good ስለዚህ ከቲክል የፀሐይ ብርሃን ያሳልፋል ነገር ግን ምንድነው ሪስትሪክት የሚያደርገው water loss minimize ያደርጋል reduced ያደርጋል transpiration ምንድነው transpiration ማለት ይሄ biological process ፕላንቶች በቅጠላቸው ውሃ ያተናሉ ይሄ የፕላንቶች በቅጠላቸው ውሃ ማትነን ሂደቱ ፕሮሰስ ይባላል transpiration ይባላል good The lower epidermis contains bean-shaped guard cells and stomata. Yes, the lower epidermis contains what? Bean-shaped guard cells and stomata. What are guard cells? What are stomata? Let us discuss on that. Stomata are tiny pores that usually found in the lower epidermis. On the lower epidermis or in the lower epidermis, there are tiny pores. These tiny pores known as stomata. Stomata are surrounded by guard cells. Yes, they are surrounded by what? Guard cells. Stomata allow for gas exchange. Exchange of gas takes place between the external environment and the leaf is through what? Stomata. So stomata are important for gas exchange. For the exchange of what? For the exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen. In most leaves, stomata are more abundant in the lower epidermis to reduce what? Water loss. Yes, so in most leaves, stomata are more abundant in the lower epidermis as compared to the upper epidermis in order to reduce water loss. Good. Lower epidermis ላይ ደግሞ ሁለት አይነት ስትራክቸሮች አሉ ጋርድ ሴል የሚባልና ስቶማታ ስቶማታዎች እንደናቸው ቀዳዳዎች ናቸው ይሄ አየር እንዲወጣና እንዲገባ የሚያደርጉ ቀዳዳዎች ስለዚህ ስቶማታ አየር እንዲወጣና እንዲገባ የሚያደርጉ ናቸው ካርቦን ዳይኦክሳይድ ይገባል ኦክሲጅን ይወጣል ካርቦን ዳይኦክሳይድ ለምን የሚገባው ለፎቶሲንቴሲስ አስፈላጊ ስለሆነ ኦክሲጅን ደግሞ ምንድነው የፎቶሲንቴሲስ ባይ ፕሮዳክት ነው ኦክሲጅን ደግሞ ወደ ውጭ ይወጣል ስለዚህ ካርቦን ዳይኦክሳይድ ይገባል ኦክሲጅን ይወጣል የኦክሲጅንና ካርቦን ዳይኦክሳይድ የሚወጣበትና የሚገባበት ታይኒ ፖር ቀዳዳ የሚባለው ስቶማታ ይባላል አብዛኞቹ ስቶማታዎች የሚገኙት በየትኛው ኤፒደርሚስ ነው in the lower epidermis ነው ለምን ውሃትነትን ለመቀነስ good guard cells these are bean shaped structures that control the opening and closing of stomata Stomata are closed and open. This opening and closing of stomata is controlled by bean-shaped cells or bean-shaped structures known as what? Guard cells. Stomata are not closed and open by themselves, rather than they open and closed by bean-shaped structure known as guard cells. So guard cells control the opening and closing of stomata. Good. The second one is known as the middle layer. This is also known as the mesophyll layer. And this middle layer or mesophyll layer lies between the upper and lower epidermis. So between lower and upper epidermis, there is the middle layer. That middle layer is known as the mesophyll layer. What are mesophyll? Mesophyll is the primary tissue where photosynthesis occurs. The primary tissue where photosynthesis occurs or takes place in the mesophyll. So mesophyll cells or mesophyll tissues are the primary tissues where photosynthesis takes place or where photosynthesis occurs. There are two mesophyll layers or the mesophyll layer or the middle layer has two distinct regions. These two distinct regions in the mesophyll layer or middle layers are the palacid layer and the sponge layer. So the sponge layers and the palacid layers are the two distinct regions that are found in the mesophyll layer. ጋርድ ሴል ምንድነው ስቶማታ ይከፈታል ይዘጋል እንዲከፈትና እንዲዘጋ የሚያደርግ ነው ጋርድ ሴል ነው ስቶማታዎች በራሳቸው ይከፈቱ ማይዘጉም ስለዚህ ጋርድ ሴሎች ናቸው ኮንትሮል የሚያደርጓቸው ሚድል ሌየር ላይ ሲመጡ mesophyll ሌየር አለ ሶ በአፐር እና በሎወር ኤፒደርሚስ መካከል ያለ ሌየር አለ ያ ሌየር ነው mesophyll ሌየር ይባላል mesophyll ሌየር ምን የሚካሄድበት ነው ፎቶሲንቴሲስ የሚካሄድበት ምግብ የሚዘጋጅበት ቦታ mesophyll ይባላል ሁለት mesophyll layers ሁለት ሪጅኖች አሉት palacid layer እና sponge layer let us discuss on these two regions the palacid mesophyll or the palacid layer this layer is found beneath the upper epidermis just next to the upper epidermis you can get the palacid layer it composed of regular arranged and tight parts so this palacid layer is composed of regularly arranged, tightly packed cells. They are regularly arranged, good. They are tightly packed. Good, they are tightly packed. And column shaped. They are column shaped. Look, the shape is column. Look, or vertically elongated cells. So these vertically elongated cells or column shaped cells, tightly packed cells, regularly arranged packed cells, known as what? Palacid layer. Look, these are regularly arranged. It is one palacid layer. This one is another mesophyll cell. This one is another mesophyll cell, mesophyll cell, mesophyll cell, mesophyll cell. They are tightly packed. Yeah, they are tightly packed. There is no any space. They have column shaped. Their shape is column-like. Look, column or vertically elongated cells. They are rich in chloroplast. These palacid layers are rich in chloroplast. Makes them the main site of photosynthesis. So palacid layer is the main site of photosynthesis. Good. አብዛኛው ፎቶሲንቴሲስ የሚካሄድበት ምግብ የሚዘጋጅበት የትኛው ሌየር ላይ ነው? ፓላሲድ ሌየር ላይ ነው። ፓላሲድ ሌየሮች ሴላቸው ምንድነው? ሬጉላር ላይ አረንጅድ ናቸው። በዘርፉ አረንጅድ የሆኑ ናቸው። የተበታተኑ አይደሉም። ታይትሊ ፓክድ ናቸው። በጣም የተጠጋጉ ናቸው። እንደገና ኮለመን ሼፕድ አላቸው። ወይም ቨርቲካሊ ኢሎንጌትድ የሆኑ ናቸው ሴሎቹ። ጉድ The spongy layer, they are located below the palacid layer. Just next to the palacid layer, there is another layer known as a spongy layer. They are irregular shaped cells. Yes, they are irregular. Look, the shape is irregular. They are not regular. The palacid mesophills are what? They are regularly arranged cells, but the spongy layers are irregularly shaped cells. They are regular. The shapes are regular, not regular. And these spongy layers are rich in airspace. Look, there is airspace. They are not tightly packed. They are not tightly packed. So there are air space between these spongy cells or mesophyll cells. This one is one mesophyll cell, this one is another, this one is another. And between them, there are air spaces and there are irregularly arranged cells. They facilitate for gas exchange. So the presence of this airspace within the spongy layer is important to facilitate gas exchange or gas circulation takes place within the spongy layer because of the fact that these spongy layers composed of large air spaces. Good. They contain few chloroplasts as compared to palacid mesophyll. The spongy layers contain few chloroplasts, so they are not the main site of photosynthesis, rather than most of gas exchange or gas circulation takes place in the spongy layer. Photosynthesis takes place, but it is not the main site of photosynthesis. The main site of photosynthesis is palacid mesophyll. They are regularly arranged. They have column-shaped cells or vertical elongated cells. They are closely packed, but these spongy mesophills are irregularly shaped cells. They have a lot of air spaces, which is important. These air spaces are important to optimize or to facilitate gas exchange between them. Good. This is a general structure of internal structure of a leaf. There is cuticle that is found above the upper epidermis, and the cuticle is important to reduce water loss. Upper epidermis, look, this is the upper epidermis, which is found on the top part of the leaf. There is lower epidermis, which is found at the bottom of the leaf. And there are mesophills. There are two types of mesophyll, the palacid mesophyll and the spongy mesophyll. And these palacid mesophyll are regularly arranged cells. They are the main site of photosynthesis because they composed of many chloroplasts. And the spongy mesophyll, they are irregularly arranged cells. And within spongy cells, there are many air space. This air space is important for gas circulation. And in the lower epidermis, there are cells, guard cells. These guard cells are important to regulate or to control the opening and closing of stomata. stomata are closed and open, and this opening and closing of stomata is guarded or controlled by guard cells. Stomata is a tiny opening which is important for exchange of gas, exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this video for more biology tutorials. Share na like, subscribe አርጉት። በዚህ መልኩ እናቀርብላችኋለን የተለያዩ ቪዲዮዎችን። Thank you for watching.